What in the heck is maintenance required? Welcome to the Hippie Geeks. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to catch all our new content. Anytime an indicator light shows up on your dash, it is typically not a good thing. Our 2001 Honda Odyssey recently had the maintenance required light come on. The first time this happened, our actual check engine light had never come on, which is what I thought it was. However, like most newer cars, the van has an actual check engine light that tells you there is something actually wrong and to check your codes. But they also have a light like this that is really just there to scare you into taking your car into the dealership. It is typically triggered at certain mile numbers. In this case, it happened when we hit 175,000 miles. So, what do you do? Well, it differs for each car, but just look it up online and go through whichever procedure you find. For a 2001 Honda Odyssey, it is actually pretty easy to clear and can be done in about 30 seconds. With the key switched off, push in the reset switch for the odometer and hold it in. While you are still pushing in the reset switch, turn the ignition key to the on position so that all of the indicator lights come on. After about 15 seconds, the maintenance required light will go out and you are done. Start the van to make sure that it is actually out and pat yourself on the back for not rushing to the dealership and getting talked into major service expenses. If this is your first time here on the Hippie Geeks, it would be wonderful to have you subscribe. This channel is all about helping you visualize, learn, and create. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out our Patreon page or merch store to support the channel directly. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.